Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In previous video I told that I will come back with medicinal plants part 5, so I come back. So friends, today's video is going to be very interesting. In this video I will tell about uses and medicinal properties of 10 medicinal plants. So our today's video topic is 10 medicinal plants, part 5. So friends, if you want to know about these plants, so don't skip the video and watch till end, because every moment can give much information. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification when new videos are uploaded. So let's start. 10 medicinal plants. Number 10, licorice roots or Yashtimadhu. Medicinal properties. It is used for sore throat and cough, acid peptic disease and chronic liver problems. Licorice is used internally for asthma, bronchitis, coughs, peptic ulcer, arthritis, allergic complaints and after steroid therapy. It is said to accelerate the healing of peptic ulcers and is used in cases of adrenocorticoid insufficiency. It is used externally for eczema, herpes and shingles. Being very sweet, it is often used as a sweetening agent to mask the taste of medicinal formulas. Number 9, mint or putina. Medicinal properties. Mint tea helps to fight indigestion and relaxes the muscles of the digestive tract. Its therapeutic value lies in its ability to relieve wind, flatulence, bloating and colic, though it has many other applications. It also eases nervous headaches. Menthol, its main constituent, has antibacterial properties. Externally, the essential oil is used in balms and liniments to stimulate hot and cold nerve endings and increase local blood flow. Number 8, Terminala arjuna or arjun. Medicinal properties, known to have a stimulant action of the heart. Doctors use it as a cardiac tonic. Acne, an ointment made by mixing the bark and honey applied over the affected area, can treat acne successfully. Number 7, Copticum seeds, or Iowin. Medicinal properties, used in indigenous medicine for the treatment of diarrhea, dysentery, atonic dyspepsia, cholera, colic and indigestion. Effective remedy for relieving asthma, cough and bronchitis. The seeds are useful in the treatment of migraine and delirium. The oil extracted from the seeds is beneficial in rheumatic and neurological pain. Number 6, ginger or drake. Medicinal properties. Ginger is extremely useful in the treatment of dyspepsia, colic, vomiting, spasms and other painful affections of the stomach and the bowels. Chewing a piece of fresh ginger regularly after meals prevents these ailments. Excellent remedy for coughs and cold. Extracted ginger juice with honey is very good for coughs. Ginger tea, another effective method for frequent colds and associated fevers. It's an excellent painkiller. In headache, ginger ointment gives relief. It is also effective for toothache. Number 5, fennel or Sanf, Mari. Medicinal properties. Sanf is well known as a digestive aid. It may be given small quantities to help young children digest carbohydrates. It is one of the safest herbs for colic, for helping the baby to release gas and relieve tummy. It's beneficial for treating stomach disorders like dyspepsia and loss of appetite. Number 4, nutmeg or jaiful. Medicinal properties, effective for digestive disorder, dehydration and skin disorder. Treats insomnia. Try out. For insomnia, take a mixture of coarse powder of nutmeg and fresh amla gooseberry juice. For infants who wail at night for no apparent reasons, mix nutmeg paste with honey and give. Number 3, Saraka indica or ashaka. Medicinal properties, useful for arresting bleeding and uterine sedative. The bark of the tree is effective for excessive blood loss during menstruation due to the presence of uterine fibroids and for internal piles. The dried flowers are useful in diabetes. Number 2, Sacred Ficus or peepal. Medicinal properties, effective for heart diseases, constipation, mumps. The leaves are infused in water at night, distilled the next morning and stored in bottles for heart diseases. The dried dust powder of the leaves is useful for constipation, and for mumps the leaves should be smeared with ghee, warmed over a fire and bandaged over the inflamed part to get relief. Number 1, onion. Medicinal properties, stimulants and a mild counter-irritant, promote the removal of catarrhal matter. Onion juice with honey is useful for colds, coughs, bronchitis and influenza. It contains iron, therefore, beneficial in treating anemia and effective in preventing edible against heart attack. About 30 grams of onion and 7 black peppers can be finely pounded and given to the cholera patients. I guess that you have understood it properly. So friends, today I am ending the video. Thanks for watching the video and supporting the channel. If you like the video, then give a like to the video and comment how much this video helped you. If you want to get more these types of video, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification when new videos are uploaded. Goodbye friends. Stay well and stay healthy. Stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day. See you again.